In this episode of Youva Originals, they have challenged me to paint something out of this mystery box. Let's see what we can do with it. So the colors that I see here, I think they are inspiring me to paint something like a Starry Night by Van Gogh. So instead of making a full painting, I would rather like to divide it in different parts and make a mood board painting out of it. Let's see how that goes. So I've added a little bit of paint in the background. Now I'll just mix it with a flat brush to make a gradient. So the painting has dried and now it's time for the big reveal. So this is it, guys. Did we do justice to the challenge? Let us know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.